Hey guys, thanks for watching my CB Traffic app review by Chris X and Rich Williams. I'm Susie, I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today, and I'm not just going to walk you through this sales page or show you a demo video like a lot of marketers do. This honest review is based on my opinion of actually researching this site and logging into the platform myself. I'm going to take you with me as I research this dashboard, the strategy, and the problems that I see with it. If you guys are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. While you're down there, please hit the like button, subscribe to be notified when our next video comes out, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'd love to answer them for you. Now, let's see what CB Traffic app promises us. They are the world's first affiliate plus traffic app, making them $594 a day with ClickBank commissions, and blasts their affiliate links to 70 times free traffic pools. Affiliates, plug your 100% commission links into 1.7 billion free buyers. Over on the right, they tell us that it is a get free traffic fast, generate ClickBank sales fast, 70 times secret traffic sources, and get free traffic to your websites. Here we are on the CB Traffic app dashboard. To actually get to the dashboard, you have to check your email and go to their thank you email. This is what it looks like. You can see step 1 is actually just an upsell for $1. Step 2 is where you actually access the software. You do click on this and you have to set up login details. The second button here is for the instant software store, which is that first upgrade we saw. Step number 3 is to watch the training video. There's actually 3 down here. If you look at the first one, it's about 1.5 minutes long. They tell you the steps that you do need to check that email, which you had to check to get this. You do need a free ClickBank account, which is no problem. Second is to connect your 70 different social accounts, and you need to create them if needed. Now, before you go running off and doing that, let's go through this review first. And third, you're going to start creating campaigns with the app. Next is the actual training video. It's about 16.5 minutes long. They give you some other steps here. Again, ClickBank account. When you do that, you will create a ClickBank nickname, and then to start creating your campaigns with the app. Step 1 in there is to find YouTube videos to use as content. They did not say anything about YouTube videos on the sales page. Step 2 is to log in and choose your done-for-you niches and 70 products. So now I need 70 different social accounts, and we're going to be promoting 70 different products. Step 3 is to customize and save your campaign. The third training video is again the instant software, which was the upgrade when we came in. When you do finally get into the CB Traffic app dashboard, you will want to go to your profile up in the right hand corner, enter all of your information, and at the bottom you would need to put that ClickBank username in here and click save. Once you've got your ClickBank information in, you're going to want to go to campaigns. Here is all the campaigns that you have made with the app. To create a new campaign, you would come in and click create new. You would want to name your campaign and choose a place that you are going to get your videos from. You can choose an MP4 format, YouTube, or Vimeo. They suggest YouTube, and then they give you a search function to go to YouTube. You would search the video by either most viewed or most recent. You would put in the keywords you're looking for and search. Since I couldn't get the search function to work, we'll keep moving. Next, you would put in your video URL that you would take from your video on YouTube, and we will just take a look at one I have already done. So I decided to use one of my own videos, because if you just go using random videos off of YouTube, we are looking at some copyright violations and you can get in trouble for that. Stick with me and we'll go over the details on that in just a second. So here I've named this one. I've chosen YouTube. I have picked my own video, and we're going to click next. Here's where you would come in and choose a niche. They do give you the 9 different niches to choose from. You would want to give it a title, and then you would want to give it a description as well. It automatically pulls tags for you. So if I were to choose dieting, the tags do change. They give you the option for retargeting and the number of products. Now I tried to save this without a retargeting and it wouldn't let me. So I just took my description and put it in there so that I could save it. Next, you have the option to choose your number of products. I chose 2 for this particular one, but you can choose more. It does have a rotating carousel. Remember, they did tell us to choose 70 different products. Next, here is where they give you the ClickBank products to choose from. in the niche that you chose. We chose affiliate marketing, so they give us the 5 different affiliate marketing options that are available on ClickBank. The reason they chose ClickBank is because there is no waiting for approval. There is, however, a new company out called Digistore24. There is also no waiting for approval with them, linked above. If we choose a product, it populates the rest of the boxes for us, including the price. Our affiliate link will be in here, and then you would choose for the second product. We'll choose the 12-minute affiliate. It populates everything below, and you would click next. This is the last portion where we customize. You can come in and customize your player. I've got it chosen to yellow, but it is not showing up over here on the right. There we go. Now it's showing kind of the green-yellow color I put in. You can leave the control bar or take it away. You can choose to leave the autoplay on or off. You can choose a thumbnail. Next is product. Pop-up boxes underneath the video that you have sent. So that is this box. You're supposed to be able to come in here and change anything around. I've got the price color at green. It's still black. You can change the size. I have changed my call to action button to buy now. It says learn more. And then I changed my button color to purple. And learn more is in purple. So that changed, but apparently the price color will not change. Go to sharing. You have the option to add in a Facebook button up here. So if I said no, Facebook disappears. They give you the option to add in Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Next, you would go to brand. You can see there's a broken link here and it says branded logo. You can remove that or leave it in. Be sure to put a link in for the image so that it doesn't show up broken like this one does. We'll click submit. And now we can go view the page that we just made. This is what CB Traffic app does. It makes this page for you with a YouTube video overlaid with advertisements for your affiliate products. And you hope that you send this to somebody and they will buy a product from you down here. If I have share buttons over here, why do I need them down here? This looks very cluttered. It doesn't look clean. I saved these as a yellowish green. They are not that color. I saved my prices as green. It didn't change. And I changed my learn more to purple, which does seem to be there, but it should actually say buy now. That was the words I put in. So you cannot customize this any way you want. And this is the page that you send to people hoping they will click this button and buy from you so that you make an affiliate commission. If you click on the terms and conditions, that is also not working properly, and neither is the privacy policy. There was nowhere to go in and adjust that or customize that. And the customizations that we made aren't even taking. Let's go back to the dashboard. So once we get this campaign made, test 2, we just made that. They want you to go to promote. And here is the 70 times free traffic pools, your free traffic, your 70 times secret traffic sources, and your get free traffic to your website is this. It is social media sharing buttons. So when they told you to go sign up for 70 social media accounts, they want you to sign up for an account in every single one of these so that you can send this campaign to that social media button. Now, do you have a list of people on Dig to send this to? Otherwise, nobody's going to see it. Do you have an LinkedIn account full of people that want to buy from you to send this to? Some of these don't even make sense. Evernote is a note-taking app. Flipboard is a news media site. Let's look at Dig. Okay, that one doesn't work. Does the other one work since it's on here twice? Okay, so now we only need 68 different social media sites. Let's try Amazon. They don't even give you the option to sign up for any of these. So that's 67. We're getting better. We don't need all 70 social media accounts. And guys, if you don't have a list of buyers on each one of these sites, there is no free traffic coming your way. So it looks like Twitter works. This is what is supposed to happen when you click on that button. If you have not logged in, you would then connect your social media account to log in, and you would be able to send this to your current existing list on Twitter. Next, we have some analytics. Super basic, tells you visitors, views, clicks, and click-through rate, and then it gives you the graph of that down below. Your training videos are here. which you don't need once you have already looked at your thank you page, because it is exactly the same. Every single time you come in here to reference your training, you will get this pop-up box, which is affiliate bots. That is another one of their products. And they also have a help center button. So ClickBank Traffic app wants you to go find somebody else's YouTube video to then put into this app and overlay your affiliate offers onto the video, making this page to then send to your current existing list on the 67 buttons that are available here. I'm not going to say 70 because we know 3 of these don't work. Would you open this or watch this video or buy from this if this page was sent to you in an email or on Facebook? I'm just curious. Since they want you to use somebody else's YouTube video, you cannot use someone else's content at all, not without permission. Doing so is illegal copyright infringement. So if you really find a video you wanted to use, you could reach out to the creator and ask them for permission. Or you could just take inspiration and make your own video, just like I did. They also told us on the sales page that we would have 100% commission links. If we take a look at ClickBank's website, I pulled up the 12-minute affiliate since that was one of the products we used, and you can see you're only going to make 50% in monthly recurring commission. So this is not a 100% commission link. Make sure before you sign up for these products, you do your research and you know what you're promoting. You do not want to promote bad products. People will find out and will quit buying from you. We also realize they are not giving us any free traffic whatsoever. All that is social media sharing buttons. They say they have 70 done for you campaigns, which is great. But as we noticed when picking out our products, in affiliate marketing, they only had 5 products. So it depends on your niche as to how many products you're going to get. They do suggest to do several of these for different niches. But if you only have a list of 100 people on Facebook for one niche, the other niche isn't going to help you. Nobody's going to see that. Nobody's going to buy that from you. All right, let's take a look at the pricing and the OTOs for ClickBank Traffic app. The front end is going to be $17, with upsell number 1 being the unlimited edition at $29. You're going to upgrade to launch unlimited campaigns for unlimited traffic and affiliate commissions. They can't give you any more traffic than they've already tried to give you. They are not giving you any names to send this offer to. You will have to find the names and the buyers yourself. Upsell number 2 is Autopilot Edition. They're going to give you 60 more affiliate programs every single day. Upsell number 3 is the Done For You Edition. All they need is your ClickBank ID to let his elite team site up a Done For You site. This is the same typo they have in every product that they launch. Upsell number 4 is the Reseller Edition at $197. And upsell number 5 is the Mega Bundle Edition at $97. All total, CB Traffic app is going to run you $576 for an app that's done nothing but deceive you on their sales page. Some of the functionalities don't even work. It doesn't save the customization offers. And the last big lie that they tell us is down at the bottom, and that we can use this with 3 affiliate networks. They don't give you an option to put in anything but ClickBank. Guys, don't waste your time or your money on CB Traffic app. I really hope this review helped you out. And if you guys want to learn ethical, honest ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. Give me a like if it helped you out, and subscribe and hit the notification bell to see our next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.